Hi everyone, in today's video we'll be looking at 2020 HSC Standard Maths exam, question number 1. This question came from the topic of nonlinear relationship, and specifically it came from the parabola. So going on our study matrix, go to nonlinear relationships, and this is one of the easier questions. So let's open this. So you would need to know the properties of parabola, hyperbola, and exponential. So make sure you read these before you attempt this question. So going to the first question. You're given an equation and then you're asked which of the following graphs can represent this equation. Now, this is testing your understanding of the graphs and the equation, what kind of equation represent what kind of graphs. So this is a linear equation. Anything that has x with a power cannot have a linear chart. So this is out of contention. This is a graph of a exponential equation. So if you would read the notes, you would know how exponential equation looks like. So this equation does not look like an exponential equation. This is hyperbola. This again does not look like that. This is a parabola. So this option C corresponds to this equation. So that would be the right answer.